Property 8 is the power to a power rule. So when an exponent is raised to another exponent, you multiply the exponents. So x to the m to the n power turns into the x to the m times n. So x to the third to the fourth power turns into x to the 3 times 4. So that's x to the 12th. We would also distribute that outside power multiplied into everything if there are multiple things underneath the power. So 2x squared y to the 5th to the 3rd, we would distribute this third power into each of the exponents. So that would look like 2 to the 3rd, and then x to the 2 times 3, multiplying in the 3, and y to the 5 times 3. And then we're multiplying that whole thing by this second piece, which is 3xy. So if we simplify this a little bit, 2 to the 3rd is 8, and then x to the 6th, y to the 15th, and then multiplied by 3xy. So this would be 8 times 3 is 24, and then adding the exponents, x to the 6th plus 1 is x to the 7, y to the 15 plus 1 is y to the 16. Last, ab to the 5th to the negative 3rd over a squared b to the negative 2nd. On the top, we would distribute in this negative 3 power. So that would be a to the negative 3, b to the 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, over a to the negative 4, doing 2 times negative 2, and then b to the negative 2. So now we would use the quotient property, which says subtract the exponents. So for the a's, that would look like a to the negative 3 minus negative 4. For the b's, that would look like b to the negative 15 minus negative 2. And that is a to the negative 3 minus negative 4 is positive 1. B to the negative 15 minus negative 2 is b to the negative 13. And then we would flip the b to the negative 13 down and make it positive using the negative exponent property. So that would give us a to the 1, or just a on top, and b to the positive 13 on the bottom. Try 10 and 11 on your own.